You can connect NetSuite ERP with BigCommerce using an iPaaS solution easily and fast, but you're missing your BigCommerce B2B Edition connection. The BigCommerce B2B Edition NetSuite Connector by Tavano Team fills this gap, as it is designed specifically to solve this problem. It all starts with an initial setup phase that will allow you to set up B2B Edition with the records available in NetSuite, all powered by saved searches that will allow you to define the criteria of the data you want to migrate. The setup phase includes the migration of sales reps, customers, companies, and contacts. Once the initial setup is completed and your site is operational, the real-time data sync kicks in. Let's take a look at a few basic use cases. A new B2B customer completes a trade professional application form to request a wholesale account on your site. Upon approval, the connector will make sure to create this customer following NetSuite's company contact hierarchy. Whenever the admin grants access to a new user for this company, this user will be created as a new contact in NetSuite. Whenever a B2B customer places an order, this order will be submitted in NetSuite under the company, keeping record of the contact who actually placed the order on behalf of the company. When the order is billed in NetSuite, the invoice will be generated in B2B Edition, making sure it's available to the company users to see and pay. When a payment is issued in either system, it will be recorded in both platforms. With the power of BigCommerce B2B Edition NetSuite Connector, you can leverage the full capabilities of B2B Edition within NetSuite.